Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today for the first time we're gonna analyze GameStop. That's a very famous stock and I can't believe I didn't analyze it in the history of this channel. So let's take a look at how GameStop is doing right now. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? I mean, what should we do with that? So let's talk about that and much more. Guys, if you are my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support me. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I record videos every day on Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, many other stocks, including GameStop right now. So consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my future analysis. I firmly believe this video is going to be very helpful to you. Now, GameStop. Well, there is nothing to say, but the trend is totally bullish. We are talking about a bull trend. Let's first analyze the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we see that GameStop is doing higher highs, higher lows. We don't see lower highs, lower lows. So yes, it is, technically speaking, a bull trend. There's no deny on that. No one can deny it is not a bull trend because it is. Now, will it drop from here? I don't think so because we don't have any bearish structure on GameStop and we are still above the 21 exponential moving average. Only if we lose the EMA again and only if we see a lower high, lower low, because so far GameStop is doing just this, okay? Higher highs, higher lows, right? If it does this, okay, this is a classic reversal chart pattern and yes, it could reverse if it does a lower high, lower low. If it loses the 21 exponential moving average again, okay, this will probably trigger a pullback on GameStop. But so far so good, we don't see this going on over here, so okay, it is still a bull trend. All we can assume is that the bull trend will persist until a clear reversal occurs. That's Dow theories tenet. One of the tenets, I don't remember which one, I think it was the number 5 I believe, right? Just Google Dow theories. So right now, we don't see any technical reason to believe GameStop will drop from here. Let's take a look at the daily chart because if we see a pullback, to what point GameStop will correct? Remember guys, I am a swing trader and all my insights over here are not supposed to be used for day traders, but only for swing traders. If you are a swing trader like me who want to make some money, want to be more consistent, well, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. It is the only swing trading newsletter that can consistently beat the market. Some people say that nobody can beat the market. It is just wiser to put all your money on SPY ETF, for instance. However, I am the living proof that yes, you can consistently beat the market being a swing trader using an active management strategy. So consider subscribing at my trading newsletter. Now, before we talk about the daily chart, let's keep in mind, we don't see any bearish reversal chart pattern in the 1 hour chart, okay? We don't see, but if we do, this will probably cause a pullback in the daily chart. To what point GameStop could correct? In my humble opinion, it could correct all the way down to 131. This black line over here. This black line is a quite important and meaningful price level for GameStop. It was a support level over here on December. It was a resistance level multiple times in February over here. Oh, and it was a support level on January as well. Okay, so if GameStop triggers any pullback sign, I firmly believe it could easily retest this black line at 131, which is quite close to the 21 EMA as well, okay? And if it does, that would be just an opportunity to buy, in my humble opinion. I know it went up a lot since the previous bottom. Let me see, roughly 150%. Wow, that's incredible. So to me, it feels like it kind of deserves a pullback again, just to create another buy opportunity, especially if you missed this impressive bullish leg. Now, the volume is increasing as well. Again, according to Dow theory, the volume must follow the trend, and that's exactly what's going on over here. The volume is increasing again. GameStop is a very speculative stock. My insights over here are purely technical. I am not using fundamental analysis on it, and I am not a long-term investor on GameStop, okay? So, because I don't believe in the company too much, but still, I think it is a great company for swing trading or even day trading purposes. Now, the volume is increasing. That's good. That's good. We don't see any bearish sign. That's also quite good. What if we see bearish sign? Well, it's probably going to be my opportunity if we react around this support level. That's also quite good. And since we are reversing the trend, the next target on GameStop is the next resistance, $252. Okay, so that's going to be our next target. Let's put it over here. And if we see a bullish structure in the daily chart that confirms this idea, okay, this will just reinforce our bullish thesis and we can safely trade GameStop again. If you are in GameStop and are not sure of what to do with that, again, let's just wait for a bearish structure to appear in the daily chart, because if it does a pullback, it could kind of wipe out most of your gains. So that's how I would proceed. I would just set a trailing stop gain, maybe in the daily chart. That could work as well, under the previous day's low over here, around 162, but I think you can afford to wait for a bearish structure in the 1 hour chart as well. So far so good. GameStop is looking good. These are my insights and these are the most important key points. I told you guys this video was going to be very helpful to you, so consider subscribing this channel and please click on the like button to support me. Thank you for watching so far. Stay safe. Farewell.